Charging your OnLux controller is quick and easy. Start by plugging the USB-C cable into the wall charger provided with your OnLux system. Then, insert the charger into a standard electrical outlet and connect the other end of the USB-C cable to your controller. Now you should see a blinking orange light. This means the controller is actively charging. Once it's fully charged, the light will turn a solid orange. A full charge typically provides 6 to 7 full sessions. If you're using only one function at a time, you can extend this to 9 or 10 sessions. Attaching the controller to your OnLuxMVP wrap is just as simple. The controller connects using magnetic snap-ons. Align the controller with the snap-on connectors on the wrap and you'll feel it securely click into place. The controller has 2 buttons, one for light therapy and one for vibrational therapy. You can use these modes separately or together, depending on your preference. Each session runs for 15 minutes and shuts off automatically when complete. You'll hear 3 beeps to let you know that the session has ended. During vibration therapy, the device will vibrate for 25 seconds, pause for 5 seconds, and then repeat this cycle continuously for the entire 15-minute session. When the battery starts to run low, the controller will beep every 3 seconds as a reminder to recharge it soon. If you have any questions or need further assistance with your OnLux controller, please contact your healthcare provider.